If you're facing claim denied issues with Oscar Health, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Review the denial notice. Check the denial notice you received from Oscar Health. It will provide specific reasons for the claim denial, which is crucial for understanding the next steps. Step 2. Verify your coverage. Confirm that the services you receive are covered under your plan. Look at your policy details to ensure that the treatment or service falls within the covered benefits. Step 3. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents related to the claim, including bills, medical records, and any previous correspondence with Oscar Health. This information will be necessary for appealing the denial. Step 4. Contact customer support. Reach out to Oscar Health's customer support. Provide them with your claim details and ask for clarification on the denial. They may offer insights or additional steps to take. Step 5. File an appeal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively address and potentially resolve your claim denial issues with Oscar Health.